Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Matias wireless aluminum keyboard with backlight, and this is a space gray version. So this looks exactly very similar to the Apple keyboard, and let us unbox and check what's inside. So as you open up, you get this nice keyboard packed up in a plastic wrap, and here it's written the charging cable. In the user manual we have given some instructions: charge it first, the on off buttons and other indicators, it's given how it works and other stuff, and here it's written how the backlight works, etc. So this is the charging cable, and this is a USB micro USB charging cable, and the keyboard looks pretty good and the consistent. On the back of the box you can see some features are given, such as pair up to 4 Bluetooth device, rechargeable 1 year keyboard battery life, that's great. Backlight has its own dedicated battery, so that's pretty good. You don't have to charge it again and again. And here it is written the Matias Corporation and their website, where from here you can go and buy this. So I've been using this keyboard for around 3 to 4 days now, and in my impression I'm pretty impressed with this keyboard. This keyboard is a really good keyboard for your Mac systems. As you can see, the keyboard layout is very much resembles the Mac system, but you can also use it on Windows. I've been using it on Windows and it works pretty well. But yeah, if you have a Mac system, this would be a really good keyboard for use. You don't need to spend a lot of money to buy an Apple keyboard, and this would work really well. So guys, that was a really quick video of this keyboard. If you're interested in purchasing the same, the link to the same in the description, where you can go and buy it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video.